wrapping up an incredible experience at Automechanika Dubai 2023. Chempol Additives, together, we innovate and excel. A huge shout out to everyone who visited our booth. We at Chempol Additives and Chemical Specialties want to express our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Engaged and showed interest in our range of high-quality additives, polymers and specialty chemicals. It's always invigorating to be surrounded by industry peers, potential partners, and curious minds who share our passion for excellence. It was a pleasure meeting you and discussing the latest developments in the automotive industry. At Chempol, our core values serve as the foundation for all our endeavors. We are dedicated to manufacturing high-quality products and providing sustainable solutions to our valued customers and partners. We look forward to the possibility of working together, adding value to our respective businesses. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey with us. Chempol, powering progress with innovative chemical solutions.